So we're going to solve a system of equations by substitution. So in order to do this, we have to have a variable by itself. In this case, our top equation has a variable by itself, y. Y itself equals something. And so because we have that variable alone, it could be y, it could be x, it could be either one, as long as it's all by itself, nothing else on that side. So we are going to take whatever that equals, so in this case, negative 2x plus 1, and it's going to go in for y in our bottom equation. So when I see that y, instead of writing the y, I'm going to write the negative 2x plus 1. So I'm going to do that right now. 2x minus, and then I have negative 2x plus 1 instead of y equals 3. And then it's just a solving equation. So I'm going to distribute this negative sign to both parts of the parentheses. So plus 2x minus 1 equals 3. And then I'm going to combine my like terms. 2x and 2x is 4x. Minus 1 equals 3. Add 1 to both sides. 4x equals 4. Okay, and then I do my last step, which is to divide by 4. So x equals 1. That's all fine and dandy, but we know that solving a system means I should have a solution that's an ordered pair. Right now, I only have x equals something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, and I'm going to plug it into my top equation, okay? I like to call this the pretty little package. That package that we plugged in for y, that's where I'm going to plug my x. So y equals negative 2 times 1 plus 1. So see how I did that? I took my x down here that I solved for, and I plugged it in for the x in my package. So now I have y equals negative 2 plus 1, and then negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So my solution to this system is 1, negative 1. My x was 1, and I plugged it in, and I got out negative 1. So my solution to the system is 1, negative 1. Solving my substitution is super easy if you've got a variable alone. That's the one I always like to do if the variable is by itself.